1, 2, 3.
Today we're gonna make Salsa Verde.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Guillermo.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Every week we're gonna share recipes with you.
If you like them, please subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. Most of you have tried salsa before.
But have you tried Salsa Verde?
Today we're going to show you a delicious way to make Salsa Verde.
Green salsa is made with tomatillos, also known as Tomate Verde.
Tomate Verde is more tangy and acidic than a regular tomato. It tastes a bit like a green vegetable. It grows in a thin husk, but sometimes these are removed before the tomatillos are placed on store shelves.
You can buy tomatillos at Latin stores, but in our case we don't have a Latin store near us, but we were able to find them at our local Chinese store.
You can also make Salsa Verde with tomatillos in a can.
But we prefer fresh. There are many ways to use Salsa Verde.
You can use it on meat and vegetables, in soups, on eggs, and of course in tacos. To make the salsa, start by dicing a medium-sized onion. Then quarter 2 large garlic cloves. Halve the tomatillos and remove the core. Roughly chop the jalapeño. If you like your salsa mild, remove the seeds. If you like it spicy, keep them in and use 2. The thing about jalapeños is you never know how spicy they'll be until you eat them. After you've done your chopping, add cooking oil to a large shallow pan on medium heat. When your pan is hot, turn down to medium-low and add the onion. Cook until translucent. Add the garlic and cook for about a minute. Add the tomatillos and jalapeño. Season with a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Stir constantly until everything is caramelized, about a half hour. By cooking the salsa slowly, you bring out the sweetness in the onion and tomate verde. This way, there is no need to add sugar. Spoon the cooked salsa into a mason jar and mix with a hand blender. You can also use a food processor or regular blender. Your salsa is ready to serve. Now we're going to try our salsa with a classic Mexican breakfast.
So, should we try this?
Let's try it.
Okay.
Qué rico! Thank you for watching.
If you liked what you saw, please subscribe and like and share this video.
We're gonna do recipes for you.
Sorry.
What?
I'm sorry. Okay. I just have to get used to it.
Oh.
'Cause you're so cute.